So, hello everybody, it's Recharger here, and today I'm opening a 57 Chevy Belair, which is the Fireball. The interesting thing is that I looked up on the internet with this thing, and I found only a car model, like a little bit few pictures with this car model exactly, and like with the frame, but it's like this one's black. The one I found mostly, which was called a Fireball as well, was a white one with a hard top roof. So that made me question a lot. Why is this one made even into a car model if it's not even known really much? Maybe some of the viewers who are viewing this knows that and may tell me that in the comment section. But yeah, I saw this thing. It was really cheap. I was like, yeah, well, yeah, I'll take it. I'll be taking the white one as well at some point. But for now, I'll be happy to get into this one. I need something sharp. Sharp. What's that? Come on. Doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go. That's that. So I'll take this thing away. Let me see. 4 bolts. Okay. I'll be right back when I get this thing off of the platform. So I've come back with the car, but I found some really interesting. Well, I wouldn't call that good. Interesting things. So it's the interesting part is that I can open the doors, but I can't open the doors. So either it's these tiny screws here on the on both sides, either it's those, or I don't know, because I tried to open it and it didn't open. The front, they just pull this safety like thing away, and you can open it. See, no major detail on the engine part. There are no lights on this thing since it was like I don't know, like a beach rally car or something, or whatever they used them for. Sorry for the shaky camera, I just hit it by accident. Also, I have no idea what is this thing. Completely zero idea. Yeah, and all in all, it's not a bad car by the looks. I'm just gonna have some tempering go on to get those doors open, because I didn't find anything on the internet which says how to open them. So yeah, all in all, let's show you the bottom. All in all, it's like I said, it's not a bad car. Just the issue with the doors, I don't know what's with them. And on the box, there's nothing said about the doors as well. So just makes me much more curious how to do this. But if I get them opened, I'll just update you on my next video. And until then, subscribe or like, and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.